Why Liverpool dominated Man City was there are plenty of reasons, but the first reason that I would love to say is managers. Klopp. This man is main. When he entered Premier League, that time Pep was not there. Pep came the next season after he entered. So the scenarios were different, the conflictions were different, and the thinking process was totally different. He had when Pep came, even he faced the same thing, which Klopp was facing for past couple of seasons. The main reason over here is that the team that he had that time and now there's only one common or two common players, that is Milner and Henderson. They were the common players that time. Apart from that, there were no one. The other 9 remaining players are his own players. He bought them and he came them in. And the wing backs that he has dominated with Andy Robertson as well as Trent, these both were such great wing backs of Premier League. The reason is that their crossing skills, the free kick, the set piece skills that they have. That was one of the main reasons why Liverpool dominated over Man City. Man City, if you see, the wing backs are not so great. Only De Bruyne can take free kicks. Mendy can cross. Walker has the determination and speed, but they don't have the skills, the special set skills, which is set piece, which they don't have, which City's wing backs don't have. So this could be the main reason. The managers are the main reasons why this time Liverpool dominated Manchester City. The second reason is that we had a huge amount of injury problems, which Liverpool didn't have. The start of the season itself, we lost Leroy Sané and the departure of Vincent Kompany, and we didn't have a replacement for these players. And later on, the start of the season itself, after 5 games, we lost Laporte. So, and those 5 games were very good. We were dominating all those 5 games. We had a great defense. Then after Laporte getting injured, and after quite a few months, he came back. He was not able to play the whole 90 minutes. So it was a huge loss for us when he left at that point of time. Expecting for his return again and again, but it was so tough. Then somehow these players were the one who played throughout the season. But the main reason over here is that defense and injury problems. I hope this doesn't happen next season and we can make Laporte fit within the start of the Champions League fixture, because against Real Madrid is going to be very tough. So the main reason over here is we need Laporte fit, because last season I think so why we win that many games is just because of Laporte. Laporte was there, we won most of the games. Just one game we lost when Laporte was there. Apart from that, none of the games we lost. So Laporte is a huge advantage for us. And whereas Liverpool didn't have much of a setbacks. And when you talk about strikers, Aguero had 16 goals, Sterling had 12 goals, and De Bruyne had 10 goals, and Caballero also had 10 goals. But when it comes to Liverpool, Salah had 17 goals, Mane had 15 goals, and the Brazilian Bobby even had 8 goals. Anyhow, it comes to 38 goals both. Whereas now you must have understood what went wrong between Man City and Liverpool. Defense was the only thing that went wrong. With nothing apart from that. Whereas this can get reversed when we come to next season. And as of now, as per the news that Koulibaly will be there, we don't know what's the news, but let's see. And even there have been talks about Ruben Dias, but we don't know. Let's see when the confirmed transfer news comes out. The third reason is the home ground. When it comes to Man City, it is Etihad, and when it comes to Liverpool, it is Anfield. So everybody knows that Anfield is the toughest stadium to be played. For example, Man City has been dominating over 10 seasons right now, right? So since the time they were dominating, they didn't even win a single game in Anfield, which is not a shock one. That even proves that Anfield is the toughest stadium to be played. Out of these 9 seasons, we have won 4 titles, 4 Premier League titles, and even other trophies we have won. But whereas it was so tough, and we have even finished above Liverpool plenty of times out of these 9 seasons, and we didn't even win a single game in Anfield. That just shows that how difficult it is to play in Anfield. So this is the third reason why we mentioned that Anfield is the toughest stadium to be played. Next one is not so serious, but whereas when it comes to attacking format, even that has changed the total scenario. These same 3 people were the one who even played last season for Liverpool: Salah, Mane and Firmino. But whereas the same three persons, whereas Raheem Sterling, Aguero and Mahrez wasn't the same person when they played last season. It was Sane instead of Mahrez, and the goals and the count number of goals were also different. So when this happened and when we lost Sane, the whole dynamic and the whole formation structure changed. There were no passings, they were just cutting ins and they were just shooting. This was the only scenario that I noticed, and that could be the reason that I felt that we have lost a bit. We have lost the flair in attacking, which City actually had last season, the season prior to it. So these were my reasons why Man City got dispossessed by Liverpool this season. So right now, take a note that next season I'll come up with more interesting views and stating that 5 reasons why Man City won the league. Stay tuned, and in case you like the video, please subscribe it and do share it. And for more notification, please click on the bell button. Thank you so much for watching.